Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes really easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 large egg ready. These basic items are all you need to create delicious, fluffy pancakes right in your own kitchen. It's truly that straightforward to get started. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's mix up the batter. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give these dry ingredients a good whisk to ensure they are evenly distributed. In a separate, smaller bowl, whisk together the milk, melted butter, and egg until they are well blended. Finally, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. With your batter ready, it's time to cook those delicious pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. You want it hot enough to sizzle, but not so hot that it burns. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are golden brown and you see bubbles forming on top. Flip them carefully and cook the other side until done. Your easy, delicious pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include rich maple syrup, fresh berries, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. Don't be afraid to get creative with chocolate chips, nuts, or even a sprinkle of powdered sugar. For an enhanced cooking experience, consider adding a smart speaker to your kitchen. It's perfect for playing music or setting timers while you cook. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to elevate your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.